On point one is on the secret behind the all-weather friendship between President Putin and Prime Minister Narendra Modi. On point two is on Air Force Chief AP Singh's revelation on India downing F-16 jets during Operation Sindoor, along with a warning to Pakistan. And now let's take a quick look at the headlines. Madras High Court forms SIT to probe Karur Stampede after TVK blames Tamil Nadu police for stampede and inadequate security at the rally venue. Health Ministry issues advisory on paediatric cough syrups after child deaths in Madhya Pradesh, advises rational and sparing use. Patiala House Court sends Delhi Baba Chaitanyananda to 14-day judicial custody in sexual harassment case. NE says brutalities on protesters in Pakistan occupied Kashmir are horrific and Islamabad must be held accountable. Akshay Kumar shares cybercrime scare, says stranger asked his 13-year-old daughter for nude pictures. Four killed in Andhra floods, CM Chandrababu Naidu announces ex gratia. Israel intercepts last Gaza flotilla boat, begins deportations. Kantara Chapter 1 creates history at the box office. Rishabh Shetty's film collects rupees 60 crore on day one.